MTD CNC are at Matsuura today in Colville. We're here at the first day of their open house event. So let's go and have a look around and whet your appetite as to what you can see if you visit here today in Colville, the 14th of May, or even tomorrow, the 15th. And in fact, if you can't make it this week, it is also on the 23rd and the 24th of May. So that's 2 days next week. Over the course of the next couple of minutes, I'm going to give you an insight into some of the machines that are on show here. First of which, as you walk through the door, we're presented with one of their fastest selling 5-axis pallet solution machines. This is the MX330. Now, we've seen a lot of these machines in the field at their customers. If you're after machining that unmanned run, so essentially you want to go home at the end of the day, press the button and come in the morning to maybe 10 pallets completed of machine parts. Now, this is a machine for you. Having a look inside this machine, you'll see it's a 5-axis solution and it's fed by that 10PC pallet. Now, as I said, it's the fastest selling multi-pallet 5-axis machine from Matsuura. What's good about these machines as well is that when you have, or you can actually have up to 4 parts per pallet, because you can have 4 programs per pallet as well. Therefore, you don't have to have tons and tons of the same parts. It's all about flexibility. In fact, batch sizes starting at 1. That's the 5-axis, or the first 5-axis machine. Here next we have the Murata. This is the MT200. Now, the Murata machines, this is an 11-ton machine, and the key to these machines is the stability of them. A lot of their users report the fact that once the machine has set into operation, days and days can pass and components maintain those tolerances regardless of external conditions. Now, the great thing about these machines as well is they can have either 2 turrets or 3 turrets, and they have Y-axis on every one of those turrets as well. 50mm bar, 65mm bar capacity, high performance turning centres, and they are now beginning to carry these in stock, already attracting attention here, albeit it's still before 10 o'clock in the morning on the first day of the event. Now, how about this, the MX520 PC4? Now, Matsuura started selling the 520 5-axis machine about 9 years ago, and it really has opened up a phenomenal amount of markets for Matsuura. It's been a real game changer for them, this machine. And now this version comes with the 4 pallet pull here. Now, what this obviously enables you to do, if we can open the door here, we'll be able to see, we can actually see the machine moving around now, which is so we're actually picking up a pallet here. Again, with this machine, you can have 4 programs per pallet. This has got 4 pallets. If your components are slightly larger than what you would be doing on an MX330, then this machine would be ideal. Up to 170 kilos on the pallet here on the MX520. So if customers that have already got 520 machines looking to go, again, for that overnight run where they can press the button when they go home and then come in to finish components in the morning, then that is a machine. How about this? New from Matsuura recently, HP 3D printing. We're going to be doing more videos throughout the day, actually on the 3D printing topic, but this really has revolutionized some of the, a lot of the manufacturing industry, what you can actually achieve here with HP 3D printers. They're even printing fixtures here. This is one we looked at Southern Manufacturing. You can actually do that now for your machine tools when you're actually machining. You can actually print fixtures for your components. We'll be coming back and doing a lot more in detail here on the HP throughout the day. What about horizontal machining centres? Well, this has to be, this is actually Matsuura's fastest selling horizontal. This is the H Plus 300. Now, this machine in itself is their biggest selling HMC for the aerospace industry. It goes into a lot of the aerospace industry. 15 pallets, 15K spindle, BT40 Big Plus. These machines are really about volumes. They're really about volumes here. We look at a lot of 5-axis solutions with multi-pallets, but the horizontal with a multi-pallet really does lend itself to reducing cycle times and making those parts far quicker. And again, a machine already attracting attention this morning. I've got to say, I love this one. Look at the component on this machine here. A perfect illustration of the size of part you can get on the MX850. A 5-axis machine here that's capable of accommodating up to half a ton on the table. Yes, half a ton. Again, on show here today. We also then have the Lumex, big market for Matsuura around the world. This is the subtractive and additive machine. You can print metals and also machine them as well, giving you the ultimate solution. This is the 5th generation machine being talked about a lot in the current day. Then we have the MAM 7235V. This machine in itself, we see so many of their customers with these machines. These are about running every hour of every day. This is a 5-axis machine solution. This has, you've got 32 pallets on this machine. It's the MAM 72 35V, fast, high-speed, efficient machine. Now, the great thing about this is it's all about scheduling, it's all about cell monitoring, it's all about intelligence in automation. With this system, if there's a tool breakage, if something happens during the night, you can always, well, the machine will work it all out. It will work it all out for you. It won't just stop. It will move on to the next job. All the pallets and the tools all work in conjunction together. As I say, it's intelligent automation. And if you're talking efficiency, 99% efficiency, just keep the machine running. Then we come to the VX660. This is the last machine here. This is their entry-level machine. In fact, it's where the VX range starts. It's where the Matsuura range starts. It's the entry-level machine, but it's the same spec as any Matsuura. It's built in the same way, looking at giving you the same longevity, the same accuracy, the same precision that you can expect from Matsuura machines. 3-axis machine starting around about 100k, 15k spindle, 20 bar through spindle coolant, swarf system, all of that. So that gives you a very, whets your appetite as to what you can see here over the next few days. I'm just going to have a quick chat with David. David, if you've got a couple of minutes. Nice to see you. Thanks for accommodating us today. What about this new showroom? What an investment this is for Matsuura.
Yeah, Steve, we're delighted with the way it's turned out, actually. I think it was a natural progression from our record year last year. And it really does enable us to really showcase the machines.
And it looks clean, it looks tidy, as you would expect, but you're attracting the attention. There's people here. It's before 10 o'clock in the morning. Why are they coming here, do you think, David?
I think it's the interest that we're generating. Obviously, we're really selling the machine process now. We're scheduled to get about 100 people through the doors today, so we're really pleased with that. And as you already said, it's early in the first day, and we've already got the interest in there. So,
what's the key to investing in Matsuura, in your opinion? Why is it becoming trendy?
I think it's the recognition, really, of the support that we give, not just for the machine itself, but the after sales that we get in there. We pride ourselves on the whole package, everything that comes in afterwards. So you've seen the facilities with our service support, post-sale, spindle facilities that we've got as well, and obviously the stock that we invest in terms of UK spares.